In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gems from scratch and save hours using Caption Crafter in Google Gemini. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, you'll want to type Google Gemini. You'll see a list of results, and what you're looking for is the link to Google's Gemini page. Click on it to access the website where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Google Gemini page, you'll find a sidebar. Look for the Explore Gems option. Clicking there will lead you to a section where you can see all the available gems, and importantly for us today, where you can make new ones. Next, locate and click on the New Gem button. This is where your creativity starts. It's time to give your gem a name. Let's call it Caption Crafter. Remember, the name you choose should give a hint about what your gem is designed to do. Now, onto the description. You can describe your gem as follows. Turns any product name into a funny, emoji-packed IG caption that sounds like it was written by your cool, slightly unhinged social media manager. This sets the expectations for what your gem will deliver. For instructions, think of this as guiding the essence of the gem. You might say something like, "You are an IG caption generator." The user will give you a product name or short description. Your job is to create a funny, high-converting Instagram caption with 2-3 punchy lines, plenty of relevant emojis, and 3-5 casual hashtags. Tone, playful, witty, a bit extra, but still clear about what the product is. Do not write explanations, just output the caption. This informs the user exactly how the gem should function. Once you've got all the details in place, it's time to save your work. Make sure to click on the Save button to secure all the creative effort you've put into designing your gem. After saving, you're all set to test out your creation. To see your gem in action, click on Start Chat. This opens up an interactive area where you can input product names and see your gem's suggested captions in real time. Let's test it out by entering hot sauce. Just type it in and click Submit. You should see a clever, engaging caption that suits the product. For good measure, test it one more time with a different product name, such as whitening toothpaste. Again, enter it and hit Submit to review how well your gem handles this new input. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom gem in Google Gemini that can turn any product name into a compelling Instagram caption. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy caption crafting!